Blueberries here, and today we'll be showing y'all crazy people. Take a look. Everyone! Okay. See the dude in the black jacket? You gotta introduce yourself first.
Oh, God!
I fought for that.
She did that.
I just got the notes back. All this is her.
Anyways, this is Joe, and this is Brianna,
Now, come on!
and I'm Blueberries. And we're gonna watch them do stupid stuff. And you're not ever playing this again.
Come on. Like this.
Ow!
Get back here! Come back here! Get back here! I got her! Stay there! Stay there!
They're hilarious.
Alright, you take a break.
Stupid boy.
Shut up. Alright, now take me. Here. Take one of me jumping.
It's a video, dummy. Not a picture.
He got it at FTO school.
I know, but give me jumping.
So how did all the back
Oh, Bahamas.
I saw it gonna have to report.
Bahamas.
Anybody fell asleep.
Ooh, baby.
Job rest.
Bahamas.
I'm surprised
Ooh, baby. Not one of my brakes
all
falling
not
in.
working time are on our bike.
Woo! It's Little Love, if that's possible.
What?
Little Love, if it's possible.
I'm gonna get
Joe's ready. Joe, try do what you do and fall down the hill. Brandon, push him down the hill.
Joe, let me push you down the hill. She wants me to push you down the hill. Like that? No, down the hill. I'm pushing you down it.
No, first you go, Joe.
But I want to. You suck. Now get over here. It's your turn.
Wait, Joe,
What?
have you seen the dead cat?
Yeah. No, not really.
You are my best star in my movie.
Oh! Oh! I got jumped by girls! Ah! Up in the leg! It's your turn!
One more thing. My dog.
Watch this.
That's all for today. So, subscribe and comment and tell me if you want more. Bye. Say bye, Joe.
Ow!
Say bye.
Bye!
Brandon, say bye.